Hi.
Everybody cups up. Everybody fucked up for the girl.
So hi vlog. I'm gonna go over to my friend's house. We're gonna get ready. I'm already dressed. I got my heels in this little bag. We're just gonna I'm just gonna do my makeup over there. I'm just gonna take the bus to her house because I'm not gonna Uber to her house and then have to turn around and like spend half on Uber when I was already gonna take the train. But anyways, may I talk too much. I'll just see you guys probably when I get over to her house or whatever it may be. Question mark, because I really don't know what. Okay, hey guys, let me just find Randy's TV remote and just mute the TV. Hi. I don't normally, oh, here are shoes. That's Randy's and then this one's mine. I don't normally wear hair in my face, so all this hair in my face is a lot. I'm extra. But pause the music because we're writing stuff. Buffalo's very own for Amber. You got this baby girl, her track list.
What I hate going to the store while they're cute. It's just nasty. Alright.
Okay, so we vlogging. Say hi
Hey.
to the vlog.
Oh my god, I love this hi vlog. I love it.
The track list, and then I put Buffalo's very own instead of, you know, October's very own. Buffalo's very own. So I think she'll make it. All right, I'm gonna set this up. I'll pause the music because I'm not trying to get copywritten on the little money that I do make from YouTube.
Okay. We'll leave it like 8, you think?
Yeah. Well, 7:46 now.
Okay. So that's good.
What else?
I love the haters so high there all we let like
from random places. I know we got bump here, so that's a given. So shout out to y'all. And I know Rochester's in the building, Seattle, Washington. So I'm super excited to share with you guys my craft, and I hope you guys really like it.
You look beautiful.
Beautiful. We're in your house.